Namaskar. When it comes to your appearance, there is a common concern with everybody in life. That is dark circles around your eyes. I think, first of all, you should find the reasons for dark circles around your eyes. It could be because of lack of sleep, stress, poor nutrition, some health concern, or because of overwork. Did you know that around 40% of your energy is lost through your eyes? But don't worry. Today, I am going to share some simple homemade remedies which will help you. Our first remedy is very simple and effective. That is ghee massage. Take a small amount of pure cow ghee and gently massage it around your eyes before bedtime. This technique helps nourish and moisturize your skin. If applied regularly, it definitely reduces the appearance of your dark circle. Second remedy is cucumber and rose water. Here you have a combination of cucumber and rose water. Grate cucumber and extract its juice. Add few drops of rose water in that and apply it around your eyes. The cucumber's cooling property combined with rejuvenating effects of rose water can refresh your delicate under eye skin. Third, aloe vera and almond oil. This is an effective remedy, and that's a mix of aloe vera and almond oil. Combine 1 teaspoonful of fresh aloe vera gel with few drops of almond oil. Gently apply it around your eyes and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it. Aloe vera is soothing and almond oil contains retinol, which in turn revitalizes your skin. Now let's go to fourth remedy, and that is yogurt, curd and turmeric. Mix curd and little turmeric to form a paste and then apply it to your dark circle. Keep it on for 15 minutes before washing it. In combination with curd and turmeric, it's a natural skin brightening and anti-inflammatory. These properties will reduce dark circles. Fifth, cold milk. This is a classic remedy, and that is plain cold raw milk. Soak a cotton ball into this raw cold milk and apply it gently around your eyes. And then leave the cotton ball on your eyes and rest for some time. This cold milk can really help reducing your area which is dark around your eyes very effectively. It even reduces puffiness below your eyes, and naturally it gives a very fresh look. Now that we have seen these 5 remedies, remember, achieving a radiant skin is very much possible. You have to attend to your skin, that's it. This is a simple external care, but your body needs a few basic things also. First is deep, restful sleep, and second, balanced nutritional diet. And then comes a stress-free mind. If any of these things are not in order, it can lead to imbalance in your body. And this imbalance can show on your face, and that is through dark circle. So, it is important to make some lifestyle changes too. If you regularly have dark circles, get enough rest and have a balanced diet at a regular interval, and that would work wonders. Wash your eyes, splash little water around your eyes. That would help promote healthy circulation around your eyes. For your tired eyes, practice palming. Rub your hands together to create warmth and then gently place them over your eyes. This can provide a soothing break for your eyes during working hours. Remember, dark circle sometimes is a reflection of your dedication, whether it is at your work or at home. Accept and be proud of your hard work and dedication. And don't forget that self-care is equally important. Namaskar.